Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm a student employee at Grand Valley State University Libraries. In this video, I'm going to show you how to conduct a search in the GVSU library search box and how to filter your results. This feature can help you find a variety of resources listed in GVSU's catalog and databases. You can get to the library's website from the GVSU homepage, which is gvsu.edu, and click on the little building icon on the top right of the page, which will take you to the library's website. Here, you can enter your research topic in the search bar located under the University Library heading. We are going to start on the search platform itself that comes up after clicking the Find It button. My topic is free college education, so I am going to enter that as my search term and then click on the magnifying glass icon to search. You might also notice a drop-down menu as you are typing that includes other popular searches to help you refine your search early on. Under the search bar, we can see the number of results and how they are sorted by relevance, which means the results that show up first are more likely to match the keywords you search. Each result first lists the title, author, year, and content type, and some results will even include a brief summary of the resource. For example, this resource is a book. Underneath the search bar, there are options to refine your results by adding filters. The most common way that students do this is by selecting full text to only see results that we have fully available online. At My Library is pre-selected, so it only searches for resources you will have access to through GVSU. You can limit the search results by source type too. You can see all the content types present in the search and number of results for each category. By selecting the additional options, I can see the complete list in the drop-down window. I'm going to limit my search to academic journals, ebooks, and books, then click Update Selections. I also want to limit the results to sources published in 2016 and later. I can do this by selecting the 1, 5, and 10 years filter, or I can scroll down to Custom Range. We are going to click on 5 so that only resources published in the last 5 years will show up in the results. I can refine the search even further by scrolling down to the Subject section. When clicked on, it will provide more options to narrow down a search. You can click on different boxes that are relevant to your search. I am going to click on the box titled Education. Using these options to refine my search, the total number of results shrank dramatically, helping me find just the results that are relevant to my assignment. Now you can scroll through the results to find the most relevant sources based on your keywords. If you would like additional assistance using the library search box, please contact the library through chat, text, email, or by visiting one of our service desks. You can also schedule an appointment with a librarian or a peer research consultant. Thank you.